Pro Max. Yes, for my last giveaway for the iPhone 12 Pro, their winners has the final result, and they have got the prize iPhone 12 Pro. And this time, yes, because this is a brand new iPhone and is a new model, so I got 20 pieces. Yes, 8 pieces. This is the new color, the Sierra Blue. Yes, and 4 pieces silver, 4 pieces gold, and 4 pieces graphite. So that makes total 20 pieces. Okay, so let's talk about this iPhone 13 Pro Max. Yes, that's the newly released Apple products iPhone 13 Pro series. This is 6.7 inch, the Pro Max. Yes. Alright, so as you can see from this desk, 20 pieces iPhone 13 Pro Max here, and all of them are, yes, 512 gigabytes. Yes, all of them are 512 gigabytes. Yes, and they are 1 terabyte version, but I didn't get that the version right now here. Okay. Alright guys, so I need to first unbox 2 of them to show you guys what it looks like inside the box, and then I will tell you something about my rules to enter this giveaway and some rules about to win this giveaway. Okay, so let's get started to unbox 1 of them or 2 of them to show you guys the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Alright, so first let's take this, yes, Sierra Blue, and this is a new color, and this color should be very popular in the markets this year. And yes, you can see the back, and this is the US version. Yes, US version, 512 gigabytes. Yes, and this iPhone 13 Pro Max, it's similar like iPhone 12 Pro Max, but there's some difference. Yes, the box is same size, and color is different from the Pacific Blue. Yeah. And the seal is different. And now, because this is paper seal, and the previous iPhone 12 Pro Max is the plastic seal, so this should be something different. Alright, so let's go on to unbox this iPhone 13 Pro Max. So first, this Sierra Blue. Okay, guys, have a look. Wow. Like this, unbox this iPhone 13 Pro Max. Alright, so guys, this should be the very exciting moment. Yeah, this should be the iPhone 13 Pro Max, the Sierra Blue version. Okay, yes, wow, and you can see the accessories inside. Type-C, USB Type-C cable, and user manual inside. Yes, and this, wow, this is really nice. The Sierra Blue color, yes, it's different like the previous iPhone 12 Pro Max. The Pacific Blue color is, yes, it's a bit lighter the color, but it looks more beautiful. Alright, so this is a Sierra Blue, and I will take another color to show you guys. Yes, the silver color. The silver color also the silver color comes in 1 terabyte version storage. Yes, 1 terabyte, and the silver color looks also pretty nice. Okay, so let's also get started to unbox this silver iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's go. Oh. Take off the seal from the top and from the bottom. Alright. And then should be the very moment to unbox this iPhone 13 Pro Max. Wow. Guys, so this should be the silver color. Silver color looks Also pretty nice, yeah. Guys, silver and Sierra blue, 2 colors. And then also we got the gold and graphite. So I don't want to unbox all of them because I need to make them all brand new and sealed, so that you guys, when you got it, they are sealed and brand new, okay? And yes, I would use this silver color to turn on it. Wow, really nice. Turn it on. Wow, guys, Apple logo, yes. So this is the iPhone 30 Pro Max silver color. It's really nice, iPhone 30 Pro Max. Alright guys, so this is a 20 pieces iPhone 30 Pro Max huge giveaway. Comes to the 20 pieces iPhone 30 Pro Max, and this time should be a very huge giveaway. And here I want to tell you something about our rules. Although I have told you guys many times, every time when I do giveaway I will tell you guys something about my rules, because all the time there are some new subscribers, some new fans come to my YouTube channel and find this video and they don't know how to enter this giveaway. So here are my answers. So first, you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel and then leave any comments down below this video. Any comments is okay, yeah. But only one of your comments is valid. So if you leave 10 or 20 or even 100 comments, so it's useless. Only one of your comments is valid, okay? So first step, subscribe my YouTube channel and then leave any comments down below this video. Yeah, then you got the ticket to enter this giveaway and you have the chance to win one of this iPhone 30 Pro Max. Yes, so this is the rules to enter this huge giveaway. And I want to tell you something else. Yes, we make this giveaway and we offer free international shipping. So if you someone to ask you for something about your bank card, banking information, no, we never charge you the shipping cost. Yes, it's free. It's totally free. We offer the international free shipping worldwide. Okay? So in the end, I wanted to make my wishes to all my subscribers. So thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel, my videos, and I will make more giveaways and some unboxing and reviews for all kinds of techs, latest tech. Yeah. And hope you guys are good luck in this giveaway. You may be the winners, one of the winners of this iPhone 30 Pro Max. Alright, so much for this video, and I hope you guys enjoy this giveaway. Alright, thank you so much and enjoy it. See you next time. Peace. Bye.